Hi my friends, today we model this part with the name skeletal sphere and using this drawing. No many dimensions and we obtain an interesting part. We start by creating a sphere with diameter of 136. New standard millimeters IPT. New sketch. XY plane. Circle 136. Then we draw a vertical line or horizontal. We place it coincident with the center point. Okay. Then center line, then trim. Finish sketch. Revolve, and we have that sphere. We continue with this dimension 100 to create a face here. We create a new plane based on XZ and going up to 100 divided by 2. We use this plane to apply split. This is the tool. We select not this, but this direction. Okay. Visibility. Then we create another plane at 15 for this contour, 60 radius, 16, 60 on 60. New plane based on this, going down at -15. Take a look here, just -15 is there. Then we select this, F7, and we draw a rectangle with a center. tab 60. We apply fillet of 16 to each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish sketch. We hide this plane. We select also this to create a new sketch with this contour. Now we have two sketches. This means that we can apply loft. Loft of this and this with cut. Okay, very nice. We have to multiply this cut in many occurrences. One is this, with the axis horizontal X. We use circular pattern. We select the last and the previous feature, then the direction of X axis, not 6 but 4 occurrences. Okay. Then we apply again circular pattern. We select loft and split, and another axis, Z axis, select it from here, not 360 but 90, not 6 but 2. Okay, we repeat that last circular pattern to select once again 1, 2 features, the axis also Z, also 2, also 90, but the other direction. You see this option. Okay, now we have this feature, the loft, all over around the part. To finish the part, we select this face, we apply project geometry for that contour, then extrude with cut all the way through the part. Okay, this once again, project contour, finish sketch, extrude with cut all the way through the other direction. And the last is this, select all that contour, finish, extrude with cut all the way through the part. Okay, that's all. Let's see what is the volume. High properties, physical, update, and we select this, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is absolutely the same. Cancel. We keep one of them. The material is still stainless steel. Then we select view, default IBL is default lights and without edges. Now you see there is no difference between the two. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.